Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back. If this is your first time here, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our gardening tips and tricks. Today, we're talking about what you should be planting in early June across all USDA zones. Let's get those hands dirty and dive right in. Understanding USDA zones? First things first, let's talk USDA zones. These zones help you understand your garden's climate better. Whether you're in chilly zone 3 or the tropical zone 11, knowing your zone is key to choosing the right plants. Early June is an exciting time to get planting, so let's see what works best for each zone. Cool weather crops, zones 3-5, starting with zones 3 to 5. In these cooler areas, early June is prime time for cool weather crops like lettuce, spinach, and peas. These veggies love the cooler temps and will thrive, giving you fresh greens in no time. Perfect for those cool summer salads. Warm season veggies, zones 6-8. Next up, zones 6 to 8. Here it's all about the warm season veggies. Think tomatoes, peppers, and squash. These plants bask in the warmer weather and longer days. Keep them well watered and mulched, and you'll be harvesting delicious produce all summer long. Heat-tolerant plants, zones 9-11. For our friends in zones 9 to 11, you're in the heat zone. Early June is perfect for planting heat-tolerant plants like sweet potatoes, okra, and melons. These guys love the sun and can handle the heat. Just make sure to water them regularly and provide well-drained soil. Universal flower power. And who doesn't love flowers? No matter your zone, marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers are fantastic choices for early June. They add beautiful colors to your garden and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plus, they're pretty easy to grow. And that's a wrap on what to plant in early June across all USDA zones. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and comment below with what you're planting this June. Thanks for tuning in. Happy gardening. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from Gardening Story Channel. See you in the next video.